We're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've secured this brand new 2023 Lexus RX500h with a Starline Pro immobiliser and a halo tracking device. The way this system works, it can be paired to your phone or can go through a push sequence before a thief can start the vehicle and drive it away. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth off on this phone. So a thief's copied the key, they've hopped in the vehicle, gone to start it up. As you can see, they're unable to drive it away. The vehicle doesn't go to ready. We'll just try again. Vehicle doesn't go to ready. So what the customer can do, they can have their Bluetooth on their connected phone, just have the phone in their pocket, hop in, start the car. We hear a disarm tone, vehicle goes to ready, we can fire it up and drive off. If their phone goes flat while they're out, or they leave it at home, forget about it, and they need to drive the vehicle, what they can do is go for a push sequence of their choosing. So the way they'll do that is keep their foot off the brake, double tap the start button, so 1, 2 to get their ignition on, go through a code of their choosing using the factory buttons, hear a disarm tone, now we can put our foot on the brake, fire the vehicle up, and as you can see it goes to ready and they can drive it. This system arms automatically, so 10 seconds later, usually by the time you've got out, lock the door, system's going to be active. So if a thief was standing by ready to steal your vehicle, they did a relay attack on the key, hopped in to start it, it's not going to start up. Don't need to do anything, just as soon as you leave the vehicle, it's going to be active and it's going to be looking for either the phone or the code. So this system, you can set up your own push sequence on this between 3 and 21 presses. Also has a service mode. So when you take it back to Lexus and you don't want to give them the code or your phone, you hop into the Starline key app. When you have a green circle around the key, that means your vehicle's protected, the system's on, active, and it's going to be waiting for either your phone or a push sequence to disarm the vehicle. When you want to take it for a service, you press and hold on here, turn this green circle to yellow by pressing and holding. We'll let go, get 2 bleeps, and now it's got yellow. It's going to mean it's in service mode. So now the vehicle's going to start up, no code, no phone, just a normal vehicle. The immobiliser is completely disabled. So when you take it back to Lexus, they can work on it, drive it around, do what they need to do. You don't need to worry about them not being able to start the vehicle while it's with them. If it's there 3, 4, 5 months, it doesn't matter. It stays in service mode till you take it out. And the way you take it out, press and hold while this is yellow till it goes back to green. When it does, we get 2 bleeps, the system's back on, and as long as this remains green, your vehicle's secure. As I said, this system also has a halo tracking device, so you can see right now we're at the main dealer. This customer's just picked the car up, 24 miles on it. We want something on it before it can get driven away. Just to recap, we've got the tracker, we've got the Starline Pro immobiliser, so if a thief copied this key, went to steal the vehicle, it's not going to start up because it's looking for your phone with Bluetooth on, with an adjustable range or a push sequence. If the thief turns up with a flatbed, tows the vehicle away, lifts it up, you've also got a tracking device to locate and retrieve your vehicle. To get this set up on your vehicle, give us a call 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new 2023 Lexus RX500h. Thanks for watching.